Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Natura Resort and Spa. This is a brand new resort, and we're actually here before the resort even opened up. Currently, we are in one of the Preferred Club Junior Suite ocean fronts. They all come in this 2 double bed variety. Let me show you what it's all about. So just to my left, you have the Do Not Disturb Makeup Room sign. I like that they have that there. You just flip the switch on the outside. You're gonna have storage up above, hanging storage. You also have your robe and slippers. You can wear that down to the spa, and you really wanna check out the spa here. In fact, you can see it in our full resort tour. It's really quite extraordinary. You've got your safe right there and your steamer just down below. Continuing on into the space, you have the bathroom. Now, as we come in here, you can see there's a large double vanity. You're gonna have your backlit magnifying mirror. You also have your scale underneath and a ton more storage just underneath. Now, as part of the Preferred Club, this is your upgraded amenity kit. There's quite a few extra items in there, and you're also gonna find the signature incense. The toilet is just to my left, and here you find the shower. You've got a nice large rainforest shower head up above, the bench, more of those upgraded bath amenities, and your shower wand to my left. So now we're into the bedroom space. Over here to the left, you're gonna find your Nespresso maker. The pods are right there. They'll replenish those as often as you like throughout your stay. And then underneath here, you are going to find your mini fridge, and same thing, that'll come fully stocked for you the way that you'd like. This functions as a writing desk, and then you also have your flat panel smart TV. And just set in between the 2 beds, you're gonna have your temperature controls, 2 USB plugs, and all of your light switches there. I always bring an extra USB charger or an extra backup battery so that I can take advantage of that and charge whatever items I need throughout the evening. Next to the bed, you'll find this love seat. And then on the other side, you have more storage here underneath, and you have a luggage storage right there. Now, this is one of these great Preferred Club amenities. You get to take that bag with you when you head home. So I just stepped outside onto the balcony. I wanted to point out that this is a screen. It's a great touch for an oceanfront room so that you can get that nice breeze coming through. You've got your 2 chairs here and a table. You're also gonna have your soaking jacuzzi tub here. But the reason you booked this is, of course, the beautiful views directly out to the ocean in front of me. Now, one unique feature about these particular rooms is that you can book it in conjunction with a master suite, and there's a connector that you can put the 2 together if that's something you're interested in. That's a really great combination. It's not on the website, but it's something that we can definitely take care of for you. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams Natura or any of the Dreams or Secrets properties, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.